Yum.
First, we have to say thank you to Tita Joanna.
Yeah.
Tita Joanna. She gave us those cute dresses. It's almost the same with the stripes, and they have the same colors.
Yeah.
And for the bows, I think you gave it to us. Okay, so let's get started saying about the story of the banana cake. So let me tell you the story of this banana cake.
Yeah.
My mom was in Dubai and she was baking this banana cake. And the friends of her usually like the banana cake, so they were asking for the recipe. And here in Greece, my teachers ask the recipe when my mom baked it first in Greece. In this place that we are. Okay, so now let's get started making this yummy banana cake. The recipe is 2 ripe bananas, because these bananas make the banana cake more sweet. And you could put less sugar because some people also don't eat so much sugar. So we need cake flour, baking soda,
2 cups of flour. Cake flour.
Stop. That's sugar. A half a cup of sugar, baking powder. We need sunflower seeds, chocolate chips, water, walnut, and again half cup of sugar. Those sugars, this and this sugar is the same, white sugar. This sugar is for the egg white, and this sugar is for the dry ingredients. So we need 1 bowl for something like frosting.
For the egg white.
Yeah, you put the egg white. I forgot. You need also eggs.
Yeah.
And 4 eggs. If it's big eggs, it's 4. If it's small eggs, you could use 5. Okay, so because we have big eggs, we choose 4. Because the 5 for big eggs too much. We need also salt, pinch of salt. So you need a strainer so that you can sift the flour. You need another bowl. You can use whatever bowl you want, because every bowl you have might be different. We need a spatula and a fork to smash the bananas because we don't have a smasher. We need also an electric mix. So now we're gonna shift the flour. Get the flour, put it in a little bit.
Then this one. And actually, I don't.
So we learned the idea. We just do like that so it fall down easily. Here we go. Last spot. Oh, fell down. And how do you call that again? Shifter.
And I don't remember what it is.
Okay.
We made it
Shifter.
like a mountain.
Wait, I got it, George. We put after this. After you have to put the bake. Oh my gosh. We have to shift everything. I forgot that. Now, this right here. Shift it. Isn't the sugar supposed to be here? Okay. Just make it. I know. that doesn't go down. Maybe put it back. You got it. This is too big. Okay. Oh, I guess we made a big mess. Now I'm gonna put a pinch of salt in your hands. Somehow like this. You see? Here's a pinch of salt. Georgia needs to smash the banana.
It's already opened. Who opened it?
Okay. So now this is the liquid,
Ew.
and you put it to the dry ingredients.
Ew.
Don't look
Ew.
at Georgette.
Can you just please remove this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna remove the other one if I could.
The other one is oh. Ew. It's a little bit.
Phew, that's clean. Phew, this is clean. Because I don't like dirties. Like monsters' dirties.
They smell horrible.
Horrible. Yeah.
Throw it in the garbage. One left out.
That's in the garbage right there.
I put it in the garbage.
Small pieces.
So
Now
we
we
put
smash.
water.
And
that's it.
Okay, don't hear that, guys, because I'm gonna make a mess. I think so. Don't hear this.
Let's mix it up. You'll see this. This is also relaxing for me. You're making a noise.
I
Stop.
know it.
Look how to do it. You do like this softly. So now we have to put the eggs, the scariest thing, because you have to put only the egg white in the other bowl and the egg yolk in this bowl. So after, we're gonna put this smashed banana that Georgette made already. And this one, we're gonna put it in here. So let's get started. A little creepy. First,
That, maybe.
have to put it near here.
Oh my
I did it.
goodness. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see if you're making wrong.
Oh, it's egg yolk.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
No, that's not egg yolk, that's egg white.
Oh no.
Careful.
I don't like it. I don't like what you're doing. It's like we're going now.
Georgette.
It's like I want to see it.
Oh. I'm
You're clumsy.
I know. That's why I'm scared first.
You're scared.
Oh, yeah! I made... What's this? Okay.
Did. Bravo. You did not make it. You think you made it, but you did not make it. Oh my goodness. Oh my
Maybe
goodness.
this is not egg white anymore. Maybe I just messed it up. Okay.
Now it's the last one.
Here.
Last.
Egg white.
Last. Egg white. Oh my. Bob, I'm not saying again. Again, you're gonna make a wrong thing. You're gonna make a clumsy thing. You're always clumsy. Are you ready? No. Okay.
Okay. Ha! We did it!
Hey, you made me wet.
Wait, I have
a buddy.
My buddy. So we forgot something. We need cream of tartar here. Put a pinch again right here. Right here. Enough. Okay. Let's put it back now. Oh. Put it inside. Wee!
Ooh. Is your hand painful?
Few down.
Putting this carefully.
1 hour.
1 hour.
Look how you're doing it. For the last, and look, you just do like this. And you're doing carefully, and you put really small pieces. It's easy.
I think we're gonna mix it now.
Now we're gonna mix it.
Weird thing. And
So you have to mix with the electric mixer the egg white, and Georgette's gonna be putting the sugar.
yeah.
Oh. Put it out! So we're ready. So look, it's not falling down, so it's ready.
So
We're gonna put this.
I need
So it's ready. Thank you, Jada, for having good help. Now we have to put this right here.
Zigzag.
Oh, what happened to the spatula? It's okay. Small mini spatula for use.
No.
This actually is frosting. It smells horrible, but it tastes good. Really good.
Yeah, we'll taste it. And then we want to Maria. Because our mom doesn't like to touch it all.
Timoria is a Greek word, and it means punishment. Put it in there.
Ew. It smells horrible. You're right. I'm gonna put it. It's okay.
Thanks for good help, Georgette. Oh, that looks so good. So you're gonna be mixing it in one direction. So I asked my mom to fold it, and my mom is folding it. So you're folding it like this. This is how it's folding.
My mom is folding it. Our mom is folding.
So you're gonna put oil in the baking pan so that it cannot stick. So you put some oil, and then we put it everywhere. Now we're gonna put the walnuts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also some chocolates, okay?
Beep, 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 beep. Booty beep, beep, beep. Bada bit. Putting that right there.
Not too much.
Putting that right there. Putting that. So we're gonna preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Here go. Okay. Here. Open it. And now we're putting it right there. Now we're gonna be putting this in. Whee! we're gonna spread it. Wait, before you didn't do that thing. So we're gonna make the banana cake decoration.
Gonna make it all right here.
Come, let's go to fast motion. Okay, so we're putting one right here and one right here. Oh, and nuts everywhere. And nuts everywhere.
Except
No. Except we put it right here.
what? Wait, what fell down?
Your bell.
My bell. My bell. Oh, I forgot that we're making video.
Now. Ready to see. Watch it.
Oh, want chocolate right here?
So now we're gonna open the oven and put it in. Open it.
Hot. Creepy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Okay, the baking time needs 45 minutes.
Yeah.
If it's not 45 minutes, then you can check if it's ready or not. So, we'll see you when it's ready. Bye.
Bye.
Again, baking to a garden. We're waiting for the banana cake to get ready.
Yeah.
Let's go to the swing. Let's go to the swing.
I'm not gonna destroy the flowers.
I don't want. And this wheel and this wheel. That's you go into a branch. You do like this and then you swing. Woohoo!
Oh my goodness.
I don't
I
want to.
Okay.
What could this be? Aha! The banana cake!
Yeah.
Come, let's see if it's ready.
So let's open this. Oh, it looks so hot. What we're gonna make now? We're gonna touch it with our hands. That will be burning. But we know with what.
Okay.
We know?
The thing that we need is a toothpick so that we can see if it's ready.
Ooh, it's ready.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Come, let's take it out from there. It's okay. Now it's ready.
Now we're going to remove it.
Ta-da!
So we're gonna
Put this up here. Oh, heavy banana cake.
We need to cut it. I want the chocolate.
First, we have our spoons ready.
Our
This
forks ready.
Forks.
Yeah.
Those are not spoons. Have ready things. And you and me. And time to cut this. One big side for me.
My chewing gum is a little bit right here in my mouth, and I'm gonna remove it. Okay. Remove the tomato.
And then cut it.
Oh, that's for me. That's for me, please.
This.
That's for me.
This.
Yeah, that for me.
So you cut it now in the middle half.
No, I mean I have this. I want this.
Okay. And then you get this. and then you put it at the down place.
Oh, you are clumsy again. Sure, you're gonna make my clumsy. Yeah. No. Yummy, yummy, fork, yummy. It's like a full pizza. No. I don't understand you. What is she saying? What did you say?
If you want to try the banana cake.
Oh, you said. Also the oh you said. Pop. Oh no. I am a little bit clumsy too.
Like and subscribe.
Guys.
See you in the next video.
Oh, wait. I need to tell them something, but don't hear it.
Follow us on Instagram, Elean and Georgette.
Wait. Make your ears like that because I don't want you to hear it. Okay, guys. Tight, you need to make it, okay? Okay, guys. Now you remember when I said subscribe to my video, but I wanted to say subscribe to my video, but I was a little bit clumsy. And I'll think subscribe to a video. Now you could hear.
Did you say about the subscribe to your video?
You already said it.
Really? Because I saw you doing like this and said, oh, she's talking about the video. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.
Bye. Oh, my chewing gum. Where's my chewing gum?